Port Townsend. Got the waves. We got the Victorians, brick buildings. This here is Finn's. This is an outside deck. Very popular restaurant. Hello everybody, Jack Olmsted. I'm at the Taste of Port Townsend. I'm going sampling all the tasty victuals that they've got here. The Main Street program. It's a fundraiser for them. So here's my car. Here's the car next to it. Okay? I seem to be the one that the birds love. Has this ever happened to you? It's never happened to me. Kind of makes all those tasty mortals in my stomach kind of go, whoa. And it smells. Open the car, it smells like it looks. Ugh. Yeah. Anyway, that's the way it is. Port Townsend, Washington. You can see the ferry coming in. Yeah, we've got seagulls that like to fly over and bomb cars. There's one of them, culprit.